Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you about one of the cool features of your new website, and that is the testimonials. So you may have noticed on your home page of your site you have some testimonials. Some themes do that we do and some don't. You also have a page in your menu called Client Reviews that will also show all of your testimonials. So how do we work with these testimonials? If somebody comes to this page and they come down to the bottom, there's always a form where they can submit their own testimonial or review. If they fill this out, then you're going to get an email notifying you that you have a review or a new testimonial and that you need to go and approve it. So what you're going to do is you're going to log into your site. At the bottom of every page there is a button that says log in. You should have your username and password so you can log into the site. And you're going to come in to the dashboard and come over here to testimonials right here. In here you're going to see all of the testimonials that have been published. If there is one that's waiting your review, it will say that it is in draft status, and all you're going to have to do is click on edit, and I would use the classic editor. And then check it for any spelling errors. Make sure that it only has the first initial of the last name. For privacy rules, you don't want to get in trouble. That the rating is filled out, the location is filled out, and I would take a small portion of this, whatever part you think is best, copy it, and put it down here in the excerpt. This is an existing one. It wouldn't show up here if they submitted it on the website, so you want to make sure the excerpt is filled out. If you have an image for this client, I would go ahead, it would actually not show an image, and click on Set Featured Image. You can upload it via your computer by clicking on Upload and selecting the file from your computer, or you can go to your media library and select anything. A lot of people like to use their photo for the image if they don't have pictures of the actual buyer or seller, so that's an option as well. And then over here, make sure you choose whether they're a buyer or seller or both. And then just go ahead and click on Publish, and then that will show up on this page. Now, if you have a brand new testimonial, it's very similar, except for you're going to be starting from scratch. So you're going to come over here to Testimonials, and you're going to click on Add New Testimonial. You can copy and paste your testimonials from Zillow, from Google Business, or anywhere you want, as long as it is the actual testimonial. So you would put the title in here. And if it's Zillow, a lot of times I like to put something like a Zillow user, or just Zillow testimonial, something like that, or review. Then you're going to come in here and you're going to paste in the testimonial, or hand type it if they sent you a letter, whatever it might be. So I'm just going to copy one that I have already, so I have something to paste in here. This is a WYSIWYG editor, so it works just like a Word document. If you highlight something and you want to bold it or italicize it or change the color of it, you can do all of that, or you can even add a link by highlighting something like Google, click on the chain link, type in your link, or paste it in. Make sure that if this link is not for somewhere in your website, that you click on the little gear symbol and choose Open Link in a new tab, and then update it. So once you have this part complete, you're going to scroll down and you're going to put the client's name right here. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a name. Make sure that for the client name you only use the last initial. Don't use the full name for privacy reasons again. Then down here, you're going to fill in location reviewed. This is the city that they purchased or sold a home in. I'm just going to put some city. And the rating is how many stars they gave you, 1 through 5. For the excerpt, again, I would just copy a small portion of this. Not too much, because this is where you're going to use it for the widgets and things like that. So I'm going to paste that in here. Then over here, again, I'll set the featured image if I wanted to have a featured image in here. I would choose whether they are a buyer or seller or both, and then I would go ahead and publish this. So let's go ahead and set a featured image. Could even be a picture of the house, whatever you want. And then we'll go ahead and publish this. And now the review will show up here. And there it is. Now, if you are adding a review from Zillow or Google or anywhere else, I do recommend that you change the published on date, because this is going to show up. This would be the date they submitted the testimonial, or the month and the day that they purchased or bought a home. So you should have that be up to date. The page is set to ascending or descending depending on the code. We can change the order of these if you want. Just let us know how you want them to be. And make sure that if you have just got your new site, if it has these testimonials in here, the sample ones, that you do go into the testimonials section and delete anything that is a sample testimonial so it's not showing up live on your site. If you want to remove the testimonials section, we can also do that, or remove any widgets on your homepage. You just have to let us know. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to give us a call or shoot us an email at support@yoursiteneedsme.com. We're always here to help. Have a great day.
Yeah, pero, yeah. Pull. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Ah. Ooh.